Hello, and thank you for coming back to Great Books for Kids, reviewed by Michelle Marcotte. Son, You Matter by Derick Jakolby Washington and illustrated by India Sheana introduces us to a caring father and his young school-age son. Dad is working hard to teach his son to know he is loved, that he matters to his family and to the world. The father encourages his son to be a good man and to do well in school. And with that encouragement, the son is doing well. He's looking forward to going out for ice cream with his father after school. And that's where things go wrong. It's a truth told by Black people and people of color over and over again. The father is pulled over by the police. He tells his son how to behave under these circumstances, but the police officer does not respond to his correct behavior. Now, I know fully well that police officers have a difficult job to do and that their lives are often on the line, but we must not and cannot ignore that Black people and people of color are often treated wrongly. And that is the case in this book. Since the father's done nothing wrong, the policeman walks back his threatening stance, and the father and the son go on their way. But the damage has been done. The father was scared and is emotional, leading the son to remind him that he matters. This is a book that reminds us all that everyone matters, that good behavior matters on the part of the citizenry and the police. And it reminds us that meanness causes lasting damage to people, their families, and communities. Son, You Matter is a good book with a host of important messages. You can buy it from your local bookstore who care, and from bookshop.org, which supports your local bookstore, and on Amazon using the affiliate link in the comment section below. Thank you for coming back to Great Books for Kids. Bye bye.